Hello my friends, today this video is dedicated to all our fruit vendors out there all over the world. I also want to thank all my subscribers for your support. As you know, I'm starting this channel and I'm really trying my hardest to give you good videos, and I do it with all my heart. Thank you very much. I appreciate your support. That being said, please support our fruit vendors when you see them. I always like to support them when I go to the parks or wherever I see them. When you're out and about, please support them because they are trying to make a living like everybody else. And I will support people that, you know, try to make a living honorably. So we're dedicating this video to them. For starters, whatever fruit you have at home, you could make your own fruit vendor cups, you know, for when you're at home. So I had this fruit today at home. Like I said, when you're out and about, go ahead and support them. But when you're at home, you can make your own. Today we have the pineapple, and here we have a cucumber, an orange, a lemon, an apple, and some papaya. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut up all your fruit. You could do small pieces or medium sized, however you want. Okay, grab your cucumber. The cucumber, I've noticed they always have those long like strips when they give you the fruit cup. So we're going to do like so, like long strips to make them look pretty, and have them stand up on your cup, on your fruit cup. Then your apple, you could do little squares on the apples. There they go. And you got your orange. And those fruit vendors, they've got some cool techniques. I mean, they do it fast. I'm not that good at it yet, but keep trying. I guess it's all that practice they have. And they sell a lot. They're very practical because when you're out and about at the park, you feel like having a nice healthy snack, and you see those fruit vendors out there, yum yum. Gotta support them, I'm telling you. Okay, here's the papaya. I'm just going to do a little bit of the papaya because it looks like it's not ripe yet. But you get the point. Did we forget to mention the chili lime seasoning blend, or the tahini. These are very important, my friends. So now we're ready to put all our fruit together. Put some orange, some apple, this beautiful cup, some pineapple, some papaya. Okay, just keep adding the fruit. And then, remember I told you in the corners, I always see they put these cucumbers like standing up like so, and they look so cute. Oh, here we go. Starting to look like a fruit vendor cup. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I'll cut this one up. There it fits. You know, just make it look kind of fancy. This is looking so yummy. Oh my goodness. Gracious. Then you got your lemon. Okay. You could put some tahini. Depends how hot you want it. There we go. I just like a little bit on it. Some people like a lot. I like this chili lime blend from Trader Joe's also. Oh, cool. Put some more lemon. Yum, yum. There we go, my friends. Here's your fruit vendor cup. Homemade. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Have a great Father's Day.